In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a stretch bracelet. So easy, trust me. Some of the items that you're going to need is some stretch cord for beads, your beading needle, your beads that you're going to use, other beads that you want to use, but we're only going to use the pearls today. And that's about it. Okay, let's get started. So I am going to measure my cord with my mat that has a ruler on it. And I like to measure it about 12 inches. And then, let me cut it right there. Let's see. So I've measured my cord. I said 12 inches, but I actually measured it 24 inches because we're going to pull this, not twice, but once, but it's a double string. Just so the bracelet doesn't break as easy. So I just pulled it through the beading needle, and then I don't tie the ends until I'm done. Let's see. I saw this in a video where instead of tying the ends,
or whatever you're supposed to do at this point, you grab a piece of tape and just tape it to the bottom on the mat. And then now we're going to start pulling through the tape. We're getting stuck because it's on a double string.
this string. Put back my needle, and we got this. Just trying to center them so I'm able to tie the knot to hold it all together. Now you just tie a knot. I think I made it too big. Yeah, I didn't stretch it too much. There's a gap. excess off. Alright, and there you have it. Now ready to go to a fancy party. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. And if you want to see any more type of these videos or any other products that I do offer under bonitascollections.com, please let me know in the comments and I will be providing more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.